The Creole Cajun Queen, and I want to know what you're cooking, Shay. Today I'm going to do ranch pork chops, the thick pork chops, and dill potatoes and asparagus. Okay, so what I did was I did a ranch seasoning, and here it's dill, garlic, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and a little butter, which is going to go into my potatoes. And this is how the mixture looks. You mix it up and you make your ranch seasoning, okay? So what I'm doing now is I'm cooking my potatoes down and I'm frying my pork chops down. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna start adding my seasonings, my garlic powder, and I spread it all around over the pork chops, my black pepper, and I spread it over the pork chops. Onion powder. Okay. Dill. You're gonna see what I'm doing in a minute. And my salt. Okay. And it's okay if it looks piled up because you're gonna add a little bit of chicken stock. Okay. And what I do is I turn the fire up. I let the pork chops start cooking. Okay. And once the pork chops and the seasoning starts to cook down into the pot on both sides. Okay, I have to move them around a little bit. Toss the juice on it, and you can see where the juice is forming with the seasoning, making the ranch seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna bake these in the oven on 350. All right. Okay, so while that's cooking down, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking my potatoes down. All right, so I added a little salt and pepper already to it. And that same ranch mixture, I'm gonna do the same with the potatoes. And I'm gonna spread it around and let it cook down. Okay. So while the potatoes are cooking down, and see, now it's starting to bubble. That's the way you want it to bubble. I seasoned the pork chops on both sides with a little bit of the dill. I rub the pork chops with olive oil first, okay? And this is what you want to start happening. So once you complete and you see that the pork chops are bubbling and all the seasonings are bubbling in, then you're gonna place it into the oven, all right? And I'm gonna show you what it looks like next.